Welcome to Black Hat Nation tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add your website to the Google Search Console. So this is the new display of Google Search Console. The old version is not displaying again as at March 23, 2019. So what you're just gonna do, I think the best way for you to add your domain to your website is using the DNS verification, which is simply means the domain name system verification. So what you're going to do, you enter your domain name, blackhatnation.net, click on enter. So this is gonna pop up. As you can see, like the old version that used to display the meta tag or stuff like that is not such displaying again. So the one that Google is giving all this time around is a DNS record. So what you're just going to do next, log on to your cPanel. So under your cPanel, just scroll down to your domain. Under your domain, click on the zone editor. So under the zone editor, click on the manage. So under the manage, click on the add record. So under the add record, enter your valid zone name. So the valid zone name that Google gave to us is this. So I highlighted it, I copied it, okay, so paste it here, and you can also type the same, but I prefer I copy it in case of any mistake. So after we've done that, let's copy the txt record below. So I click on the record, the text is automatically copied to my keyboard. So click the txt here, so enter your text. So after you enter your text, so let me tell you more about the TTL. This TTL, maybe defaultly it might not display on your own cPanel, but what you just have to do, copy the rest that you've seen here, which is 14400. that is mine, but yours might be different. But whatever I see under the TTL, just copy it under yours, and after that add the record. So as you can see, the record is successfully added to TXT record for Black Hat Nation. So what we're just going to do, go back to your Google Search Console and click on the verify. Automatically Google's going to verify that. This is the best way for you to just verify through your DNS verification. Thank you for watching our tutorial today. Stay tuned for more tutorial. Have a nice day from Black Hat Nation. Thank you.